How to add social media icons to footer in WordPress. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now you want to head over to your WordPress website, and once inside, let's just head over to the editor of our website right here. Now once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the plugins category. You can go ahead and see that right below the appearance option. From here, you want to go ahead and search for social media icons. And from here, you can then go ahead and choose between all of these options right here. But in my case, I want to go ahead and specifically want to choose this option, which is social media icons, social icon widgets. You can just go ahead and click on it, and from here you want to go ahead and click on install. From there, right after installing this specific plugin, all you have to do is to navigate through the appearance button, and from here you can then go ahead and navigate through widgets. You can just go ahead and drag and drop those widgets or those plugins that we have installed into our website. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.